So let us continue. So before break we have completed a definition of agricultural income as defined in section 2 clause 1a. So 100% the definition and its main concepts are completed. First of all, everyone answer one question. Did you understand the complete Bare Act clearly, every line and point? So what is the section we completed? Section clause 1a. In that A, B and C. In this B again there are three important items: 1, 2 and 3. C is connected to a proviso. Okay. In that there is a first proviso, second proviso. Second proviso is having subparts A and B. In that again three items are there: 1, 2 and 3. So each and every point has been in detail completed in this particular diagram as well. Hopefully everyone understood the concept clearly. Right? Okay. See, this is all about analysis on section 2 clause 1a subclause A. Okay. So what is the analysis? Some important 1 or 2 points we need to consider. Please see this section and tell me. Okay, see here and tell. Agricultural income means any rent or revenue derived from land which is situated in and used for. What do you mean by agricultural purpose? This we did not define. We said that if there is a land situated in India used for agricultural purposes, then any rent or revenue derived from such a land will be treated as what income? Answer. That is understandable. What do you mean by agricultural purpose? Question will arise or not? So what do you mean by agriculture? So for that we need to understand what exactly we mean by the concept of agricultural purpose. See, for that I have written some analysis. Please see here. Read. Principles deciding agricultural purpose. These are all from the basis of case laws. Okay? Let's understand. I call something as a agricultural purpose if 4 conditions are satisfied. A, B, C, D. These 4 things we need to understand. Sir, what do you mean by mere connection with the land is not sufficient? Let's come from D, C, B and A. Let's go from the last 2 first. See, already I discussed about this much clearly. Just because of the reason that you are having some touch with the agricultural land, your revenue will not become agricultural income. What example I gave you before the break? No, coffee is a composite agricultural income, I told. Not that. I am asking you, yes, that example I have given. What example I gave? Fertilizers and pesticides. Fertilizers and pesticides. Fertilizers we will be using on what? Fertilizers we will use on, sir, I will give you an example. Urea, uric acid, all these things are used on what? In food or agricultural land? A person is selling urea, phosphorus. Phosphorus will be used on agricultural lands. Okay. A person is selling urea, phosphorus, or he is selling fertilizers, pesticides, etc. 100% undoubtedly the product what I am selling will be used in agriculture only. Correct or not? Now please tell me whether my sale income out of pesticides and fertilizers, can I call it as an agricultural income or not? Why it is not agriculture income? Start again. Your yes or no will give half mark. Explanation will give you full marks. Start again. I am selling fertilizers. I am selling pesticides. I am selling urea. which will be used obviously on agriculture. Correct? And my product is directly linked to agricultural lands. Now tell me, why my revenue I cannot call as agricultural income? That response again. You are not understanding the main crux of the agricultural income. See, agricultural income is an income which comes from the agricultural land. Fertilizers are not coming from land, applied on the land. Are you understanding? Mangoes are coming out of mango tree on the agricultural land. Paddy is coming from agricultural land. Fertilizers are not coming from agricultural land. On which plant fertilizers will grow? I am asking a question. On which plant fertilizers will grow? Fertilizers are grown on plants. Fertilizers are applied on plants. Agriculture income is not an income which is applied on agricultural plantations. It should be generated out of agricultural land. Understood or not, everyone? Sorry, I will ask a question. Tell me. Cow comes from? Doubt. Cow comes from land. Cow comes from? Cow. Answer. Cow comes from? Very good. I am a dealer in livestock. Means I will sell buffaloes, cows, oxen, bulls, sheep, goat. That is my business. Agriculture, see, normal cultivation, this is one of the things. Na? See, I am a dealer in livestock. I am having 100 cows, okay, 300 buffaloes, 200 sheep, 500 goat. If you want, I will sell them. Are you understanding the point? Now you answer. What my cows will do? Dairy. What my bulls and oxen will do? Work on agricultural field. Clear? See, I sold 100 livestock, 50 bulls, 50 oxen. Understood? Bulls and oxen I sold. How many? 50-50. And total how much? Each I sold at 10,000. I made a good revenue of 10 lakh rupees. Okay, na? I said, my bulls, my oxen, which I sold, I generated 10 lakh revenue. That bulls and oxen will be utilized by the purchaser on the agricultural land. Therefore, income generated by me on selling of bulls and oxen is an agricultural income. Correct or wrong? Why it is not an agricultural income? Use common sense now and tell. Why it is not an agricultural income? Because bulls and oxen are not coming out of agricultural land. They are applied on agricultural land. Now again, this income is an agricultural income or not an agricultural income? Now did you understand the point or not? Now tell me. I will sell jackfruits. Each one at 500. Understood? You know jackfruits, right? Okay. Jackfruits I will be selling. I am in the sale of jackfruits. Thousands of jackfruit. I have a plantation. Thousands of jackfruits we will produce and we will sell. That income generated out of jackfruit is dash income. Agricultural, non-agricultural. That is agricultural income. Why it is agricultural income? It is an income generated out of agricultural land. Understood the point clearly? Now listening everyone? So, what do you mean by agricultural purpose? See the screen. Agricultural purpose means 4 conditions have to be satisfied. Condition 1, what should be there? Basic operations you should do. Read. Expenditure on human skill and labor on the land itself. On what? Land. Not merely on the growths from the land. See, any expenditure you put. Expenditure means not just money. It can be skill. It can be labor. See, chartered accountancy is a professional skill. Everyone can't get it. Only a few will become chartered accountants. Those who study chartered accountant will become CAs. And moreover, CA is a skilled course or unskilled course? Extremely skilled course it is. It requires a specialized skill set to become a chartered accountant. Listening everyone? Now I will ask a question. Agriculture is a skilled activity or non-skilled activity? 100% it's a skilled activity. Only one person called as a farmer can do that in a proper way. They will see the sky and tell whether rain will come or not. They will see the atmospheric conditions and they will tell what rain will come in the near future. They will estimate the length of the rain in and they will tell whether this is useful rain or not useful rain. Do you understand or not? Depending on the agriculture, depending on the climatic weather conditions now, next to 4 months, what will happen, they can estimate. Skill, not a skill. That's called as a human skill. Farmer always have a human skill set. And they will go, always early in the morning. Which time? Early in the morning. 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock, they will go to the agricultural land. Rainy season is the best season for the agricultural commodities because that is the time when the basic operations will be carried on. Which activity? Basic activity. Okay? Automatically agricultural land require natural water comes from rains will be constantly falling in which season? So rainy season is the most important season for farmers because that is the time when natural waterfall will be there. At that time they will start sowing the seeds, plowing the land. Understanding? Weeding means insects will be there. They will remove all those. Okay, unnecessary crop will be there. They will remove that. All these activities are done during which season? Rainy season, and hard-bound labor is involved. Correct or not? 5 times we can't kneel down and stand up, but they have to do work like that for around 6-7 hours during the morning time. 3:30 they will go to the farmland. Till 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock they have to work for 4 hours. When entire world is sleeping, one person will be working for food. Who is that? Farmer. So this is a hard-bound labor is involved in that. So agriculture basic, what do you mean by agricultural purpose? There should be what involved? And what is involved? On what? Land, not on the produce, on the land. Next, examples. Tilling of land means, tractors will be there. To the tractors there will be a 4-edged sword type. They will till the land. Okay? Next, after tilling the land, sowing the seeds. After sowing the seeds, plantations will start. Listening? This is all called as what activity? What operations these are? Loudly, sir, everyone. What we are discussing now? What we are discussing now? Why agriculture purpose is important? Unless and until the land is used for agriculture purpose, income cannot be called as agricultural income. So agricultural income means any rent or revenue, derived from land situated in India, used for agricultural purpose. So all the conditions must be cumulatively satisfied to call as agricultural income. So what purpose I should use? Bad response. Start again. Lunch break after that, dangerous time, I know. Start again. Tell me, what purposes? Agricultural purpose means 2 important operations we should carry on. Number 1, basic operation. Number 2, subsequent operations. First tell me, I am having fertilizer business. I am having pesticide business. Where I will use both of them. Start again. I am having fertilizer business. I am having pesticide business. Where the product will be used? Answer? Now you answer my question. A person doing fertilizer business will till the land? Will sow the seeds? Will plant and do similar operations? Will have any human skill and labor involved? That's why sale of fertilizers on agricultural land is not an agricultural income, because you are not doing anything for the land. Did you understand the point or not? Okay. Now, next. Not just basic operation. You should also do... Start. Read. Besides basic operations, there are some subsequent operations which are considered to be for agricultural purposes. Illustrated list. Whenever I say illustrated list means these are only some examples. not the only, also. First one, what is the first one? Weeding. You know weed? Weed. Weed means not weed what you are thinking. Listen, weed means unwanted plantations which disturbs the real plant. See, weed releases gas in such a way that it will disturb the other plants which are adjacent to them. That's why always in agriculture one of the most important thing is weeding. Weeding is very important because weed not only disturbs the soil, it also disturbs the other plants. Other plants will die if the weed is there. That's why what they will do? They will remove the weed. So that's a subsequent operation. Second, loudly. Next one, removing undesirable undergrowth. Next one, prevent the pest. Now pests will be applied, fertilizers, pesticides, everything. Next, cutting. Next one, puring. Next, harvesting. Next, render the product fit for the market. All these things become basic, subsequent. Next, read. Mere performance of subsequent operations on the product of the land would not be treated as very, very important. Tell me, what purpose I should first carry? Loudly. I will give you one super example. Listen carefully. I am having an agricultural land. I will grow paddy. Everything I will do. Finally, he will come. This person is having machinery. Paddy field will be there. In paddy field, what we need to do? Cut the paddy, put it in the bag, take it to the factory. There they will remove all the seeds, separate it, all these things will be done. Correct or not? But if it is a 10-acre land, cutting the paddy field is easier, difficult. But a machinery, though, if you do, one day they will do everything. A tractor will come. Yes. Cylinder type it will be. It will go on agriculture land. That's why it will cut all the paddy and put it in the tractor. Listening? That work he will do. Now answer my question. This person will send me one vehicle, which is already a machine. It will go inside the paddy field. It will rotate its wing. Immediately the paddy will be coming out of it. That activity only he will do. For that he will charge 10,000 rupees for each acre. Are you listening to what I said? I am having 10 acres of land. Tell me how much I will pay him. Did you understand what I said? What land I have? In that agricultural land, what I grown? For me, that is which income if I sell? Perfect. Next, to sell that agricultural income, to make it fit for market, I can't call public. Public, come here, come to agricultural land, you take paddy. They won't take they will take rice, they don't take paddy. Understood or not? To make it fit for the market, first I need to take out the paddy or not? So what I have done, I employed one person. That person will send one machine. That machine will cut all the paddy in 1 hour. Listening? 1 hour, 10 acres it will work. Now he sent it. Listening everyone? Or 1 hour, 1 acre, 10 hours it has to work. 5 hours today, 5 hours tomorrow. 1 acre, he will charge 10,000 rupees for that machine. Tell me, how much I will pay to him? Answer. He is telling that 1 lakh is my agricultural income. Agricultural income, not an agricultural income. Why not agricultural income? Subsequent operation is there, na? No, he is not doing any basic operation. He is doing only subsequent operation. Just mere subsequent operations if you do and you get an income, that will not be treated as a agriculture income. You do the first activity and the second activity, then second activity also will become agricultural activity. Understood the point or not? Next. However, if the activities are done in conjunction, means along with, okay, and in continuation to basic operation, then it is treated as agricultural purpose. First of all, everyone tell me, did you understand the principles of agricultural purpose or not? Tell me, what is the first one? So tell me, to call something as agricultural purpose, I should carry on basic operation. Next, I should carry on. Next, very, very important. What is this? Listen, let me come to that point. Listen. always human beings think that agriculture means something which is consumed is an agriculture. Because always we think anything from our benefit point of view. Something benefits me, agriculture. Something which do not benefit me, not agriculture. No, always food and grains are not agriculture. Listening? Huh? I will give you an example for you to understand. See, human consumption is not the motive behind agriculture. Agriculture has a different motive. You can understand this way. Certain products are in nature which will be created out of agriculture are used not by the human consumption, used by the animals. Used by animals. See, there will be a starch which will be used to feed cows and buffaloes, not for human consumption. But that starch comes from agricultural produce. Do you understand the point or not? For humans or not for humans? Now agriculture or no agriculture? Agriculture is still there. Always don't understand that it should be used for human consumption. I want every one of you in the class to tell me what is the definition of agricultural income as per 2:1ab. Listen to my words. 2:1ab. Agricultural income means any income derived from such land by way of what? Agriculture. For human consumption they did not tell. I said only. Very bad response. I said only. I will ask. Answer to my question properly. Teak wood is there. Humans won't consume. But still it's an agriculture activity. Which one? Teak wood, yeah. Answer everyone. I have a land. Teak trees will be there. I will grow them. Okay. Growing is an agriculture income. One person will come and cut that. Take the logs of that particular wood. They will manufacture sofa sets. They will manufacture windows, etc. Okay. Sofa sets or beds they can make out of that particular teak wood. Whatever they want, luxury products they can make out of the teak wood. Are you understanding? Selling of teak sofa is not an agriculture income. But growing of teak is an agriculture income for me or not? That is for human consumption. Teak wood? No. It is for commercial asset creation. What creation? Bad response. What creation? That's it. Always it may not be for human consumption. Tell me, I have a plantation of grapes. Grapes. Black grapes are there, na? I have a plantation of black grapes. Tell me, it is an agriculture income or not an agriculture income? Pakka agriculture income. Why? Agriculture land. Grape plantation is an agricultural produce. Purpose is an agricultural purpose. Land is situated in India. Income derived from that agricultural will become what income? Agricultural income. No extra process also required. Directly saleable. Grape gane saleable. You need not do anything to that. Correct or not? Now you answer my question. Grapes example is for paddy. Not answering. Start again. Grapes. Paddy. Apples. Teak wood. Commercial assets. Teak wood. Commercial assets. So to create a commercial asset, I am using this agriculture commodity. So always don't think that agricultural purpose does not mean only human consumption. Always don't think from your point of view. Understood the point? Read. Agriculture merely not about raising food and grains for human consumption. It includes all products from the performance of basic and subsequent operations. So whatever I said, basic and subsequent, if you carry on, I will call it as a agriculture purpose. It need not be for human consumption. I will ask one question. Fata answer. Tobacco. Sale of tobacco leaf. What you are thinking? Answer. Agriculture or not agriculture? Answer. That is for human consumption. No, you don't consume tobacco. You will die. Okay. That's a tradable thing. They will trade tobacco to a company where they will manufacture cigarettes. The answer here, everyone. Are you understanding the point or not? Tobacco, sir, tobacco leaf will be there. You know no tobacco leaf? Tobacco leaf, if I sell, for example, I have tobacco plantation. Income coming for me out of the tobacco leaf, I will sell to someone. Income coming to me will be dash income. Loudly. Sir, tobacco, good or bad for human consumption, you keep away. I am not talking about that. Talk only from the commercial element point of view. Tobacco requires agricultural land or not? Some climatic conditions are required for tobacco production or not? So from that tobacco will get generated. What will get generated? Tobacco leaf will come out. The tobacco leaf will be dried again for fit for market purpose. Drying will be done. After that, companies like ITC, Indian Tobacco Corporation, one big company is there na ITC. ITC will buy from me. Okay, for me, they paid 10 lakh rupees for buying, say for example, 10 tons of tobacco. Now tell me, 10 lakhs will become what income for me? Loudly. Because I have carried on two activities on that. Number one, basic operation and subsequent operation. Because I have grown it, I only cut that. And I sold it to some person. He gave me money, becomes which income? Now please tell me, tobacco creates a commercial asset. You will make sofa set with tobacco. You will create any asset with tobacco. Na? Yes, sir, you will create an asset. Cancer. So, we don't create any asset with that. But tobacco is a tradable commodity. Tradable? Commodity. Loudly, tradable? Commodity. That's it. So tell me, grapes, vegetables, rice, paddy, food grains comes under which category? Answer? Tobacco, all these will come under which category? Wood, all these will come under which category? Understood the point? Answer, sir. Yes, sir. See, I will give you last example before we go into the next one. Do you know latex? Latex, rubber. Yes, with the tree only it will come. They will cut the trunk will be there, na? Tree trunk. Yes, tree trunk will be there. To the trunk they will give a, they will cut that particular thing. White color substance will flow. That's called as a latex. Using that they will create rubber. Different qualities again for different purposes. Rubber comes under human consumption. No, commercial assets. What will be there? Tradable item. Same. Paper tree. Paper. Paper is for human consumption. Commercial assets. Tradable commodity. Now, do you understand the point or not? So, agricultural produce or agricultural purpose does not mean only human has to consume, then only it will become agriculture. No. Okay? Last and final. I think we already discussed about D point. Na? Mere connection with the land is not sufficient. Read. Just by mere fact that an act has some connection with the land is not sufficient to bring within the scope of agriculture. For instance, breeding and rearing of livestock. See, livestock will be working on sky. Where they will work, ox and bulls, where they will work, agricultural land. Now, sale of that livestock will become agriculture income? No. So, mere connection with the land is not sufficient. Next, dairy farming. Sir, see, cows, buffaloes are popular source of dairy in India. Though other animals also are there, 99% of the dairy production in India comes through two animals. Number one, cows. Number two, buffaloes. These are the two popular things in India. Correct or not? Dairy comes from animal. Animal eats agricultural produce, leaves and other things. Therefore, dairy whatever is produced will also be treated as an agriculture. No, dairy never become agriculture because milk don't come from agriculture land. Milk don't come from loudly. Carrot, it comes from the land. Beetroot comes from the land. Potatoes comes from the land. Cheese comes from land. Sir, cheese comes from Animal, sir. Animal will give milk, sir. Milk will be given because they are eating leaves, sir. Leaves are attached to land, sir. Therefore, this income is indirectly linked to agricultural income. Don't do. That's what government will tell. So, just mere connection with the land is not sufficient. Are you understanding or not? Just mere connection with the land is not sufficient. Everyone understood the point clearly? Yeah? So next one. Just now I told now, from that only I said cheese and butter making. Next, poultry farming. Which one? Poultry farming. See, there is one land. Just plantations are there. Poultry. Hens are there. They are selling them. Are you understanding the point? And now tell me, this is an agriculture income? Because it is in the agricultural land. No. Understood the point or not? Because you are not carrying on? Bonda. Because you are not carrying on basic or subsequent operation. Bonda. Because you are not carrying agriculture. You are not carrying on basic operations and you are not also carrying on subsequent activity. And just agricultural land, in that you will put kokoro. Immediately if you sell agriculture income, what you have done on the land? Here, nothing you have done on the land. So everyone in the class, please answer. To make something agricultural purpose, the most important concept is land. Something you should do directly on the land. Then I will call it as a agriculture, or else it will never become agriculture. Sir, I did not do something on land, agricultural land. I did not do something on? Can it be called as an agricultural income or agricultural purpose? Yes, seedlings and saplings in a nursery. That's the only exception. You forgot. Just before break, we discussed one very important concept. Nursery can be there in this city also. Coimbatore city, I can start a nursery. Nursery means this is in a big city, but internally I will start a nursery. Flowers, sometimes agricultural produce like certain vegetables, we will grow in a good environment which requires for them to grow. Flowers generally they will do in nurseries. You might have seen the nurseries or not. Small pots they will grow everything. Okay? Pot is an agricultural land. The nursery is an agricultural land. But to give benefit, to encourage nurseries and plantations in India, Government of India said that any income derived from produce sale out of something grown in a nursery is really an agricultural commodity and not an agricultural commodity. But I wanted to deem them as agricultural commodity. That's the only exception in the entire thing. So what is the only exception? Nurseries are the only exception. In all other cases, in order to have agricultural purpose, you should do some activity or a basic or subsequent operations on dash. On what? Agricultural land. Then only I will call it as what purpose? Agricultural purpose. Everyone understood the concept clearly? See, these operations, whatever I said till now, these are all taken from case laws only. Okay? Next. Analysis on section 2, 1A, B. Such. We already said what is the meaning of such. We already discussed or not. Such land represents what land? First it should be a land situated in India. I think you know this point already, correct? But I have one small question for you. Read this point for a minute. I have one question. Not even a question. I will only tell the answer. Just read it properly. Okay? Get the point or not? See, what is point 2 talking about? Any process is performed. Any process is performed. What kind of process? Process ordinarily employed. Okay? Ante compulsory or optional? Without doing this, what will happen? No market is there for that commodity. Directly, when you take the cashew fruit, no one will buy. Even though if it is a cashew. Understood the point or not? It should undergo a process. It should undergo process. For that case, I will give you super example. A diamond becomes a diamond only after a process. Or else it's a coal. Understood the point? It has no value. When it gets value, when the process is done on that, it becomes a beautiful thing called as a diamond, which has one of the biggest value in the world. So market will get generated to diamond by itself because of doing a process. Answer, sir. That's it. Certain things will be there in the world, only after doing a due process, they get the value in the market. Understood? Same with the paddy. Paddy has no value in the market. What has a value? Rice has a value. What has a value? Rice has a value. But rice will come from the paddy after a process. Correct or not? Now listen carefully. Why I am telling this? See what I am doing. Sale of what? Bad response. Sale of what? See, the beautiful language that they used is, I am doing a sale of a agricultural produce. Why cross-talking is happening? Who is talking? Another mic is there. Did you face that before? No. Just now I watched the Conjuring trailer. That effect, September 5th release. Is that effect? Conjuring, the last rites. Thank you, Valak. See here. Start again. Be careful, huh? Don't stay alone. So tell me, what I am doing? Sale of what? Produce. Agriculture produce, obviously. In respect of which, no process other than process mentioned in paragraph 2 of this subclause is carried out. Okay? Now please answer. Listen. I will give you super duper example for this. See there. One popular case law happened. Okay? This was happened in Supreme Court. Originally happened in a Madras CIT. There he lost the case. That fellow went to Supreme Court. In the Supreme Court he lost. Successfully. What happened? Let us understand. There is an assessee. This assessee is cultivating mulberry leaves. Mulberry leaves are the feeding for silkworms. Mulberry. Start again. Assessee is in cultivation of mulberry leaves. These are mulberry leaves. Okay? He is in cultivation of mulberry. Mulberry leaves grows in sky. Oh, thank you. You know that. They don't grow on sky. Nice. On this mulberry leaves, who will feed? Silkworms will feed. So, mulberry leaves grown. After growing mulberry leaves, there is a life for that, shelf life. Mulberry leaves can't be kept for years together. Days life will be there. During that day's time, they will put lakhs of worms on that. These worms will eat those mulberry leaves. Once they leaves mulberry leaves, then it excretes a thin line of thread which we call as a silk. Understood the point or not? But problem is that worm will twill all that silk around it, which becomes very difficult for the humans to take it out on a manual process. Understood or not? That's why what we will do, these mulberry leaves after eating, these worms will excrete thin line of thread attached to their body. In order to loosen that, they will put all these worms in a boiling water. Oil will boil, na? Okay, like that water also will boil. High temperatures, they will boil the water. In that boiling water, these silk worms will be thrown. Automatically they will die. Once they die, it will loosen the thread. Listening? Then a machine will be there. To that machine, they will attach this thread. That machine will immediately remove the thread from that particular worm. Worm will be separated. Thread will be separated. Then they will form a oval shaped balls called as a cocoons. I think you understood the process live. Okay. First, what is there? Mulberry leaves are there. Read the content below. Finally, you will become silk owner instead of becoming chartered accountant. See, start. Assassi cultivating mulberry leaves. Okay, what happened? Fed the leaves to the silkworms. Silkworms, over. After blurping, they are dead. From them, what is collected? Silk thread is collected into small round balls called as what? Cocoons. Now see what happened. See here. Assassi cultivated mulberry leaves, fed on the silkworms. Silkworms through he received cocoons. He is selling cages. Cocoons are sold to textile companies. Which companies? I will ask one question, tell me. What is this? This one. Silkworms. Abba. I am not asking silkworm, lion, tiger. I am asking, what is this? This is a process. What is this? This is a process. See here, listen carefully. Hey, listen here. Cocoons are sold in the market. Now the question arises, sale of these cocoons, will it become an agricultural income? Is a question. See, just like that matter won't goes to Supreme Court together. So let us understand. Cocoons are directly relating to the worms which feed on the plant. Which feed on the plant. So technically, silk itself is generated because of a leaf. That leaf is relating to agriculture. Assassi Lakshmanan, he will tell that this is an agricultural income. Sale of cocoons is a agricultural income because it is generated through silkworm. Silkworm generates that because of mulberry leaf. Mulberry leaf is grown in agricultural land. So technically silk is coming out of agricultural land. Therefore, it is a agricultural income. Matter went to CIT Madras. He gave judgment against to Mr. Lakshmanan. He said, no. I will go to Supreme Court and there I will lose. He went. Matter went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court order listened to both the persons patiently. It said, what is your problem? Sir, agricultural land, mulberry leaf, silkworm, chapada, silkworm, cocoon, sold. Cocoon is because of mulberry leaf. Mulberry leaf because of agricultural land. Agricultural land, cocoon. Cocoon, agricultural land. Agricultural income. Income tax department, Supreme Court also said. Tax, jaila. Choose one. Tax. Go. You became a case law. Court said a simple answer for his question. Point number 1. Section 2, 1A, B, 2 and 3. 2 said, process should be carried on which is ordinarily employed to make the product fit for the market. Mulberry, all this is a process, understanding. Ray, answer, yeah. What they said in the section they said, sale by cultivator of the produce raised mulberry leaves, if they sell, then it becomes agricultural income. Understood or not? The product what is raised on agricultural land and product what you sell can't be different. Can't be. Silk is grown in agricultural land. Mulberry leaves are grown on agricultural land. Answer, sir, everyone. Answer my question. Paddy is there? Paddy. Paddy grains will come out. Okay? Okay, now tell me. Dehusking will be done on? Dehusking will be done on? Rubber. On what? Paddy. Dehusking is done on? Paddy. Polishing is done on? Paddy. Becoming a rice. Then you will sell that, correct or not? Yes, so process is done on paddy. Sale is also to the paddy only. But here process is done for mulberry leaf. Generation of output is a silk. Silk is generated out of agriculture. Mulberry leaves are generated out of agriculture. Not the silk. So the product on which the process is carried on and the final product which you are selling, both are same or different in our example? Answer. Therefore, sale of cocoons will never become a agricultural income. Read. It was held in the case of K. Lakshmanan and Company versus CIT, Supreme Court. It was held that sale of cocoons do not amount to agricultural income because the agricultural produce, which is mulberry leaves, is different from that of cocoons. Everyone understood the concept clearly up to here? Next. This is all just as an example. Building concept, everyone understood clearly? Yeah? Building. Okay. That's it. With this, we completed one important segment in the agricultural income. Next comes the dangerous area called as, tell me, what is the concept? Income which is partly agricultural. Start again. Income which is partly. Tell me. Discussion, everything we will do in the next session because the newcomers are also there. Heavy dosage will lead to intoxication. So let us understand basic. Tomorrow we will complete agricultural income by doing big problems in agricultural income concept. Okay. Sir, with this we complete agricultural income concept. Next our work is to do the questions and answers on agricultural income. Are you listening? Yes, while doing the questions and answers itself, I will explain what is SOPI. What is SOPI? Loudly, if you don't listen, scheme of partial integration, gone. Example of HUT, they will ask questions only on SOPI. These are all basics to understand SOPI. What is SOPI? SOPI, what is SOPI? S means scheme of partial integration. Sorry, before that, see here. Read. Growing. Income which is partly agricultural, partly non-agricultural. Start here. Activity. What activity? Growing and manufacturing of tea. In that, how much is agricultural? Very easy to understand. See, tea leaves are grown. Directly, if you sell, I call it green tea. But no one will do like that. Even green tea also, if you observe, they are to some extent cut. Process will be done. Roasting will be done. Normal tea will be roasted at high temperatures at a different process. Green tea means it will be grown separately and process is also to some extent different. So what they said, whenever you grow tea in India, 60% is agricultural, 40% more commerciality is involved in tea. So tell me, tea powder you see, tea powder does not grow on plant. Tea leaves are grown. Leaf will go into a process. There they will roast that, make it into small and then they will pack and then they will sell. Packing is a agricultural, non-agricultural. Answer, sir. Branding, agricultural, non-agricultural. Advertisement of our tea, agricultural, non-agricultural. Then how can you tell all these are agricultural incomes for you? 100 rupees if I put the tea bag cost, in that 100 rupees what all are included? Advertisement, publicity, marketing cost. Are you listening? Yes, sir. Sir, tomato don't require advertisement. 100% agricultural. Potatoes don't require advertisement. 100% agriculture. Hey, I'm talking to you. Yes, flowers don't require advertisement, marketing, etc. 100% agriculture. Tell about coffee. Brew ki kajal is required. Are you understanding the point or not? Why God only should know? Do you understand the point or not? So for brew advertisement, kajal is required now, or else people won't consume coffee. That's an atrocity level in India. Now tell me, hey, listen, coffee cost is there, packet cost. In that packet cost, publicity cost of kajal is also included. Kajal is agriculture income. Did you understand the point or not? Agriculture income. So now answer. Hey, listen, I am telling seriously. Polluted minds. So, tell me now. So, if any actor or actress is hired for advertising a commodity, their payment is also included in that product or not? How can you claim that entire is agriculture? Yeah? That fellow is agriculture. Are you understanding the point? That's why tea, coffee, rubber. Sir, rubber means don't understand the erasers. Erasers are different, rubber is different. Rubber, one of the commodity you produce is eraser. Rubber is used widely in beds, mattresses. Mattresses, yeah. Beds, cushion. Sofa sets, rubber is there. Cushions, rubber is there. Pillow, rubber is there. Different kinds, but latex is involved in everywhere. Correct or not? Fevicol is there, na? It is also made out of what? Latex. Liquid latex, they will make it. So, when you see most of the commodities which are using rubber, they are more commercial substances which requires advertisement, marketing, everything is required for them. Correct or not? That's why all agricultural commodities are not directly saleable. Some require marketing, so much of process is required. Therefore, coffee, tea, rubber. Repeat. Start again. These three are popular. Sir, other than this, there are so many others also. I am not denying that. But mainly these three. Only three are? Mainly three are? Mainly three. Tell me, number one? Number two? Number three? Please see there. Tea. Tell me, from today you should remember, whenever you see tea, first you should tell 60% agriculture. 40% business is involved in that. Next, rubber. 65% agriculture. You will see now more tea advertisements will come. Next, coffee advertisements will come. But the coffee, you should understand one point. Coffee, there is an advantage. Listen, coffee has two situations. Chicory mixing, non-chicory mixing. Grounded, non-grounded. Heavy roasted, low roasted. Different concepts are there. Correct or not? Low roasting, low cost involved. Roasting is agricultural, non-agricultural. Answer, sir. Chicory mixing is agricultural, non-agricultural. Depending on that mixing and other things, only cost of the final product will be dependent on. That's why see what they said. Note 1, 2, 3 I have written clearly. Read note 1. Hey, coffee you read first. Coffee. What coffee? Growing of coffee. Not roasting, grounding, other things. Without doing anything, coffee, bean also can be sold. You go to Cafe Coffee Day or some other store, beans directly are there or not? They will sell also the beans. Beans directly if they sell, low business activity, High agriculture activity. That's why 75% and 25%. Case 1, you see there. Sometimes 60-40. When 60-40? Note 1. Read. Case 1 covers the case where income is derived from sale of grown and cured by a seller in India. Normal grown and cured, that's all. Next. Case 2 covers where income is derived from sale of coffee grown, cured, roasted, grounded by the seller. Now which process is also there? Commercial process is also dominating the agricultural process, correct or not? Therefore, how much only is agriculture? 60. How much is commercial? 40. 60% of that sale amount will be treated as agricultural income. 40% will be treated as non-agricultural income, which is a business income. Understood or not? Okay. Note 2. In all the 3 cases, business income shall be computed as per the provisions contained in. You said 40% in the first case, 35% in the second case, 25 or 40% in the third case. Correct? 40, 25, 40, 35, whatever the case may be, how you are going to calculate? As per the PGBP. There is a chapter called as PGBP. As per that chapter, computation will be made. How it will be done? Don't ask question because no one will know. I have to explain. Which chapter we will learn? PGBP when we come. House property after PGBP. Listening? Then I will discuss about how the concepts will work. Next. Bad response. Read again. Whenever I say agricultural income, sometimes agricultural loss also will come. Then I will call it agricultural loss. I call it? Agricultural loss. Agricultural loss. Both losses. If income la 60-40 are sharing, loss also it will be 60-40 sharing. I got 100 crore rupee loss in coffee business. Yes sir, answer final. 100 crore la, how much is agricultural loss? 60 lakhs is 60 crore is agricultural loss. 40 crore become business loss. Like how you are sharing income into 2 parts, loss also will be shared in the same parts. Everyone understood? Final. If a person directly sells tea leaves, then 100% income is agriculture. I told this point already or not? For that union of government need not come. Kaushal Mukesh is enough. The answer, yeah? I cut tea leaf and sold. Where commercial element is involved? Direct agricultural commodity is going into the hands of a person. Now that will become? How much agriculture income? 100% agriculture. Direct plant to plant I am selling to you. It's like selling paddy. Listening everyone? So, treatment of composite business income, just now I told you, tomorrow's session we are going to do illustrations. Okay? Now doubt will come. Sir, what about the notes? Correct? What about the notes? See, tomorrow's session, I will first make you to write the definition of agriculture income. Listening? After definition, diagrammatic presentation only you write. That means with that you will understand what is agricultural income concept. Correct? After that, directly we will go into the problems. Okay? And I will share this PDF completely. Listening? Already I shared this. Again I will reshare it. Where I will share everything, I will tell you the details. This particular document again today I will share. Not today. Tomorrow I will share. Why tomorrow? We will do the questions also. Are you with me everyone? What is extremely important, I will make you write. What is analysis, don't write in the class and waste time. Okay, anyway, I am shouting 10 times each concept you will remember. I have that faith. Okay, so if it is really important, for example, definition is there. Definition you must remember na exam ki. Second, this one is the most important diagram. So do you remember what is this? Tell me what is this? Land area. Tell properly, what is there? There is a land situated in a area. That area is coming within the jurisdiction of that municipality. Population is more than or equal to, then that will become which land? Any building located in a area where the agricultural land contains a building within the immediate vicinity which has a direct connection with the agriculture and used only for the purposes of agriculture for the dwelling houses or as a storehouse or as a outbuilding, then it will be treated as which building? Urban agricultural building, though used in a agricultural land. Income derived from such an urban agricultural building out of any rent etc. will not be treated as a agricultural income. Happily it will become income from house property. Go and pay tax. Understood the point or not? I think you remember this. Ain't yes sir? Tell. Yeah sir, yeah. This is yeah sir, yeah. What is this? There is a area, in that area land is there. This is in the municipality or not in the municipality? It is how many kilometers away? Within 2 kilometers. But this municipality has a population of less than. Now this agricultural land is located in an area which is within the purview of municipality and not within the purview. Not within the purview, but within how much kilometer range? Therefore, this will be treated as a urban agricultural land. Understood the point? Same applicable for the other cases also. Okay. So these things we will write. Analysis, I will give you the notes directly. There you can read. What is extremely important for exam, we will write those. Sir, if I ask you to write this, how you will write mulberry leaf? You will draw mulberry leaves, sir. So all these things you need not. Again, this one I will make you to write. I'm talking to you. This one I will make you write. Okay. After that, this notes also you have to write. After that, examples I will give you. We will solve the questions and answers in the class. Income tax, composite activity. 50% will be understood through theory. Balance 50% you have to do illustrations. Or else you can't understand. See, so much I said to you today. You will feel that you understood everything. But if I give a question, clean bowled. Therefore, you have to do questions on that. Then you will get a full clarity, undoubtedly. Because from the Bhagavad Gita, I will take questions. From this, if you do questions, there is no second thought. Understood the point clearly? So, we will do questions and answers in the tomorrow's class. Once we does the questions and answers, then you will get a full confidence. After that, you take any book, at the institute study material, whatever book you want, you can do any question that comes in agricultural income. Understood the point? Tomorrow class will be the last class for agricultural income. Understood everyone? Yes, sir. Oh, thank you very much. Happy Sunday. Enjoy.